Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. So till now we discussed about JavaScript, right? So along with JavaScript, the next thing we are discussing now is nothing but it is AJAX, guys. Okay, so you can say that it is a friend of JavaScript. Okay, so AJAX, the full form of AJAX is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript with XML and XML or with XML. Okay, so basically what is the use of AJAX is your first question, right? So we learned JavaScript because we need some functionalities and that and this, right? So now your question might be, what is the use of AJAX now? Okay, so the main use of AJAX is nothing but, so whenever you click a button, so I'll be giving you some examples, guys. Okay, so there is a website. When you click a button, it is refreshing the whole page and a new page is opening. This is one example. And the other example, if you click a button, only a particular part of the page is reloading, but you are not able to notice the change. It's automatically, it's just like a click and it will be changing. Like it's so fast. Which will be more attractive and which will be more interesting to you? Obviously this one, right? So if you are having multiple pages, that will be your loading time, everything will be wasted. But in this way, if it is fast and it is not reloading the page, then you'll like it, right? Wow, this is great, this is good, you'll be thinking in that way, right? Yes, so that can be achieved using AJAX, guys. Okay, so now let us go through the theoretical points. So AJAX, it is a technique in which we request for data from the remote server, or you can even say server also, server, without reloading the entire page. So the main concept here is you will not reload the whole page. You will be just getting the data and you'll be displaying it. That's it. Okay. So is AJAX a programming language? The basic question that everyone asks. No, it is not a programming language, guys. It is just a technique to make website behave as a desktop application. So in desktop application, if you click any button, will the whole application refresh? No, it will just like within the split of a second, it will be changing, right? So we cannot call it as a refresh. You can call it as refresh rate is really fast, you can say. Okay, so let us go through some points about AJAX. Okay, so it updates a web page without reloading the page. Yes, requests data from a server after the page has been loaded. So once the page has been loaded, it will start requesting the data when you're doing some operations, guys. But the only thing is that it is really fast and it follows asynchronously. So you'll be understanding what is meant by asynchronous also. Don't worry. Okay, so it send data to the server in the background. So it will not be loading and it will be sending and it will be waiting for the request. No, it will be sent. It will be doing all that process in the background. So it creates a better, fast and more interactive web pages with the help of XML, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So with combine of AJAX into this makes the website look really good and awesome, guys. Okay. So now let us go through some more points about AJAX, guys. Okay, so AJAX uses XHTML for content and CSS for presentation along with document object, that is nothing but a DOM. We discussed about DOM also. Okay, and JavaScript for dynamic content. Okay, so similarly you can even say HTML also, guys. It works with HTML also. There is no issue within that also. Okay, so conventional web applications transmit information to and from the server using synchronous requests. So basically normal servers will be working in this way, guys. I have just drawn the example also. So normal request, once the client requests us for something, it will send a request and it will wait for the response and it will get the response. So this process is nothing but synchronous. Like once you send, until you receive, you will be waiting. Whereas in AJAX, can send multiple requests without any issue. You can send multiple requests to the server and it does the process and it will be returning you the web page or the data that you are requesting for. Okay, so that is the main advantage of AJAX, guys. Okay, conventional web applications transmit information to and from the server synchronously. It means you fill out a form, hit submit and get redirected to new page with new information in the server. So this is how the normal application will work. Whereas with AJAX, when you hit the submit button, JavaScript will make a request to the server, interpret the result and update the current screen only. So in the sense, it is not updating the whole thing, guys. It is updating only the appearance, visual appearance in front of you. So that is the reason why AJAX will be more pleasing than any other JavaScript or even refreshing the web page. Okay, so AJAX is a web technology, we can say, independent of the web server software. So basically AJAX is now habituated with every software, guys. Like if you are using any web browser, it is ready to accept the AJAX codes, guys. Okay, so that is the reason why we will be saying that rich internet application technology. So AJAX is most viable rich internet application technology so far. It is getting tremendous industrial movement, and several toolkits and frameworks are emerging, but at same time AJAX has browser incompatibilities and it is supported by JavaScript, which is hard to maintain and debug. So the only disadvantage with AJAX is that it is tough to code, and so even coding also it will be a bit easy, but the testing and debugging are the major issues, guys, if you notice. Okay, so what is AJAX based on? So AJAX is nothing but it is based on the browser presentation using HTML and CSS, data storage using XML and JSON also, guys. You need to include JSON also because that's also a popular way to store the data. Okay, behind the scenes fetching the data using this, you should remember, guys, because this is new thing for us. So XML HTTP request object will be used to fetch the data using AJAX, guys. Okay, so now let us go through how AJAX works. So AJAX, we told you the full form, that is nothing but asynchronous, right? So what is asynchronous? Asynchronous means that we are exchanging data to and from the server in the background without having to refresh the page. So that is what you will be calling it as asynchronous. And in asynchronous, you can send multiple requests one after the other, guys. There is nothing to wait for some time or you need to do them synchronously after a short period of time. No, you can just continuously, you can send the request, background requests. Okay, similarly, this is just a small example, guys. This is your client and this is your server. So basically from the UI, using the request, you just send some request. So basically the request will be answered at the end. After a long time, you will be refreshing the page like that. So it will not refresh at the same time. Once you get the result, it will be just updating the page. That's it. There is nothing like refresh. Okay, so now let us go through normal client server architecture. So this is client and this is server. So client will be requesting for something and server will be responding for something. That's it. So in standard client server application, where client has to wait for the response from the server to execute the task on the web page. So basically in that situation, the client will be waiting, guys, for the server to respond. Okay, he'll be responding, he'll be waiting in that way. Whereas with AJAX, the client can send multiple requests to AJAX engine, and AJAX engine will be passing them to the web server and doing some processes like getting the data from the database or somewhere. It will be returning you the results. So in this way the AJAX works, guys. So I hope everyone got some basic idea, right, about AJAX. So in the next lecture, we'll be going through some communication techniques, guys. So what are the files it is using, like HTML, JSON. We'll be discussing some introduction about them. Okay, so let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.